This is a Husqvarna fleet package deal. It comes with the PZ 52-inch, 24 horsepower Kawasaki, 0 turn, full commercial. It also includes a 48-inch commercial walk behind with an 18 horsepower Kawasaki. It also includes a 455Rancher chainsaw. It also includes two 350 BT Husqvarna backpack blowers. It also comes with two commercial grade 323 Husqvarna string trimmers. Everything is brand new and under full warranty. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-641-7720 or visit our website at www.sleequipment.com.